Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Barbie Pillow is probably one of the most sought-after comfort items for fans of the iconic doll, blending nostalgic charm with plush, huggable design. Imagine sinking into a cloud of pink perfection, a statement piece that's as delightful to look at as it is to cuddle with, bringing a touch of whimsical elegance to any room. This isn't just a pillow, it's a conversation starter, a cozy companion, and a vibrant nod to a beloved childhood friend, promising to add a pop of fun and softness to your everyday life. Number 5. Barbie Store It All. Rolling Storage Bin. Introducing the Barbie Store It All Rolling Storage Bin, the ultimate solution for keeping your Barbie world organized and tidy. This extra-large organizer is designed to hold all your dolls, clothes, and accessories. Adorned with a vibrant Barbie sticker, this case adds a touch of fun to your storage. It's the perfect accessory to complement any little girl's Barbie collection. Crafted from durable plastic, this bin is built to last. Its portable design, complete with wheels and a handle, makes it easy to move around and take with you. Keep all your Barbies, their stylish clothes, and tiny shoes neatly stored in one convenient place. This organizer ensures nothing gets lost and everything is ready for playtime. This is more than just storage, it's an essential part of the Barbie experience. It makes organizing and playing with your favorite dolls a breeze. Take your Barbie collection anywhere with ease. The built-in wheels and handle make this storage bin incredibly portable, perfect for travel or moving from room to room. What we like? This rolling storage bin is perfect for keeping all your Barbie dolls, clothes, and accessories organized. Its extra-large capacity and durable construction make it ideal for heavy use. If you have a large Barbie collection and need a convenient way to store and transport everything, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It holds tons of Barbies and can be pulled around from room to room. Great size, holds everything. Even has smaller compartments on top for accessories. It came on time, it's very light and spacious. It looks just like the picture. Number 4. Barbie Red-Haired Fitness Doll with Puppy and Accessories. Introducing the Barbie Red-Haired Fitness Doll. This set is perfect for kids who want to encourage self-care and an active lifestyle. She comes equipped with everything needed for a great workout, including a yoga mat, hula hoop, and even a gym bag to carry it all. Even her adorable puppy can join in on the fun with its own set of weights. It's fitness time for both of them. With 11 flexible joints, this doll allows for more realistic movement, making playtime even more engaging and fun. She looks stylish and empowered in her GRLPWR top, colorful athleisure pants, and sneakers. It's all about feeling good and looking great. Kids can explore stories of self-care and discover the importance of being good to themselves. When a girl plays with Barbie, she imagines everything she can become. What we like? This fitness Barbie doll comes with a puppy and 9 accessories, including a yoga mat and weights, encouraging active play and self-care. With 11 points of articulation for realistic movement, she's perfect for kids who love imaginative role play. If you're looking for a doll that promotes a healthy lifestyle and offers versatile posing options, this is a great choice. What people say. It comes with super fun accessories like a yoga mat with a strap, a hula hoop, and hand weights, letting her pretend Barbie is working out and taking care of her health. The doll is high quality, with bright red hair and cute sporty clothes. All the accessories are easy for little hands to use and easy to store. Number 3. FIONOUT Pink Flower Daisy Pillow. Introducing a unique flower-shaped pillow, designed to add a touch of charm to any space. Its soft plush material offers a gentle touch and excellent resilience. Crafted from super soft short plush, this decorative pillow feels incredibly gentle against your skin. It's also easy to clean, making it a practical and beautiful addition to your home. This lovely flower pillow is perfect for home decoration. Use it as an accent pillow, a comfortable seat cushion, or even a charming floor pillow. Each petal is generously filled, providing a comfortable and supportive cushion. It's not just a pretty face, it offers great support for sitting. Available in multiple sizes, this pillow is ideal for bedrooms, cars, couches, beds, offices, and more. It's your best choice for adding a floral touch anywhere. With its soft touch and cute shape, this daisy flower pillow makes a wonderful gift. It's an adorable and warm present that anyone would love to receive. What we like. This cute daisy flower pillow is crafted from super soft plush, offering a gentle touch and good resilience. It's perfect as a decorative accent, a comfortable floor cushion, or a seat cushion. If you love adding a touch of whimsical charm to your room decor and want a soft, stylish pillow for lounging or decorating, this is the one for you. What people say. With multiple sizes, great quality, so soft and fluffy you will not be disappointed. Exactly like the photo, super soft and adorable. Cute and decent size, I get a lot of compliments on it. Number 2. Barbie Spa Doll and Playset. Introducing the Barbie Spa Doll and Playset, your ticket to a world of relaxation and self-care. This set is designed for fun and imaginative play. Join Barbie and her adorable puppy for a pampering session. It comes with everything you need for a spa day, including fun accessories like a rubber duck and eye masks. She can soak away the day with a variety of spa and bath products. The puppy even gets to join in on the fun with its own special mask. Many of the accessories are designed with handles for easy and engaging storytelling. This allows for dynamic role-playing adventures. Barbie looks effortlessly chic in her towel dress and matching headpiece. She's ready to relax in style with her pink spa shoes. With 11 points of articulation, she can move just like you. This allows for more realistic and engaging play scenarios. Kids can learn the importance of self-care while playing out stories. It encourages them to imagine everything they can become. What we like. This Barbie Spa Doll and Playset encourages kids to practice self-care with fun spa-themed accessories like a rubber duck and cucumber eye masks. The set includes a puppy and encourages relaxation and imaginative play. If your child enjoys role-playing scenarios focused on wellness and relaxation, this spa set offers a delightful experience. What people say. Her joints are very bendable and she's easy to pose. The Barbie and her accessories were a delightful addition to my dollhouse bathroom. All I had to was to open the package, set her next to the shower, and put her bathroom items on the shelf. Knees and arms and hands articulate, which makes getting dressed, sitting down, moving and holding things a little easier without the frustration. Number 1. Creative Twinkle Glowing Stars Plush Pillow, Pink. Introducing the Creative Twinkle Glowing Stars Plush Pillow, a soft and cuddly companion for your child. It's designed with safety and quality in mind, using premium plush materials. Simply insert batteries and give it a gentle squeeze to activate its enchanting glow. Watch as the colors shift beautifully, creating a magical ambience. This star-shaped pillow provides a soothing light for children who may be afraid of the dark. It's a comforting presence that helps them feel secure. Beyond a night light, it's a charming decorative piece for bedrooms, living rooms, or even parties. Add a touch of magic to any environment. Measuring 14.5 by 12.9 inches, this luminous pillow makes a wonderful gift for Christmas, children, or loved ones. It's a unique present they'll cherish. Please note that 3 AA batteries are required and not included. This decorative pillow should only be dry cleaned to maintain its quality. What we like. This creative star-shaped pillow features a soft plush exterior and an LED night light that glows and changes colors. It's a comforting companion for children afraid of the dark and a charming decoration for any room. If you're looking for a unique gift that combines comfort, decoration, and a soothing light source for a child, this glowing star pillow is an excellent option. What people say. It's very adorable and soft, plus if you're the type of person who sleeps with one arm under a pillow, this is perfect for that. The children love the pillows. They light up and glow in the dark and this was fascinating to them. Mi hija está feliz. Funciona perfecto, ese prende apaga sin mayor problema y ilumina bastante. La tela está muy suave. Cumplió todo su objetivo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.